welcome back. In the last section, you did the work to walk through a few different types of key content for your business. But it's important to remember that not every type of content is designed to help you meet a variety of different goals. For example, creating a post with the expressed purpose of trying to get people to sign up for your mailing list is not necessarily going to help you immediately see an increase in revenue. So let's do some work to map out the connection between your different types of content and your business goals. Let's start by going over the content types we outlined in the last section and connecting them back to the goals that we outlined in section 5. Then you can identify exactly what types of content that you're going to utilize in your own business on social media. In this slide, we're really showing exactly how you can put your content to work. And that means using different types of content to help you achieve different types of goals in your business. If you have decided that brand awareness is one of your key goals as a business, here are a few different types of content that will help you meet those goals. Personality and brand content, mission and vision content, client feedback and testimonials, work samples, and thought leadership content all can make a huge impact towards increasing your brand awareness. Do you want to see more engagement on your social media accounts? Then focus on personality and brand content, press features and shoutouts, thought leadership, trending content, and polls and Q&As. Really focused on bringing in more followers and growing your community? Just about every type of content can be helpful for this, but especially personality and brand, mission and vision content, press features and shoutouts, client feedback and testimonials, work samples, thought leadership, and trending content. Polls and Q&A are really specifically for building engagement, and so they're the one type of content that we've left out of this group. Finally, if your goal is really focused on conversions, whether that be email signups or actually making sales and bringing in new revenue, personality and brand content, mission and vision content, client feedback and testimonials, work samples, and thought leadership can all help you to see an increase in those conversions. And again, it's not enough to just have a strong understanding of what your goals are and the different types of content that can help get you there. You have to remember that in order to be able to tell if you are successful, you need to have some sort of measurement of success. And that's why, again, we want to remind you about these KPIs or key performance indicators. Some key performance indicators for brand awareness include impressions, website page or blog post views, social media profile visits, story views, email opens, features and press, conversions, and new customers. Some common KPIs for engagement include likes, comments, saves, shares, reposts, retweets, and poll engagement. Some key performance indicators for community growth include followers, website page or blog post views, and new customers. And finally, for conversions, to know that you're being successful there, you want to see an increase in revenue, email signups, an increase in progress rates for different phases of your purchase funnel, or a decrease in abandoned cart rates. You now have the framework set up to create SMART goals for your business, create content that is focused on those goals, and you have tools to help you measure the success of your content. Now take a few minutes to return to the content ideas that you created in the last section and identify a business goal that you want to meet that correlates to each piece. Now you have the tools and the framework in place for your content strategy. That means we are now officially halfway through this course. Congrats! You have made a huge step forward in understanding your content strategy for your business. We talked through exactly what a content strategy is. We defined what your business offers. We helped to outline your different audiences, both primary and secondary. We worked to define some of your business goals with a focus on 4 key goals of brand awareness, engagement, community growth, and conversions, We outlined and identified a few common content types and encouraged you to brainstorm ideas for content to create within each of those types. And we helped you map your content types back to your goals. You now essentially have everything in place for your content strategy. In the second half of this course, we're going to be focused specifically on how to utilize this content strategy for your social media. But if you still have questions, or if you would like to just check in with us about anything that you've been developing in the first part of this course, remember that we have office hours on an ongoing basis. So feel free to reach out. You can email us at demystifying@witchdigital.com, or be sure to check out the Demystifying Social Media Facebook group for more resources. Whenever you're ready, you can dive into the next section and start putting together your social media strategy.